This is our first video on engineering principles applied to biological systems, and our topic is material balance. Material balance, which involves calculating the quantities of all the materials that enter and leave the system. It is based on law of conservation of mass. The thermodynamic principle is useful in establishing the material balance equations. Thermodynamic system consists of the following components: system, surrounding, and system boundary. System: energy or matter separated from the surrounding environment. Surrounding: which interacts with the system. System boundary: a closed surface around the system such as boundary or a wall. There are two types of system. One is closed system and other open system. A closed system prevents the mass from moving from the system to its surrounding and vice versa. Open system is capable of mass exchange with its surroundings. Some processes causes change in the system or surrounding. First, the batch process. Batch process operates in the closed system, and semi-batch process, which can be both closed or open system, and fed batch process, which is partially open system. Continuous batch process, which is the open system. Processes on parameters varies with time. Steady state and unsteady state. Steady state is one in which the properties of the system such as temperature, pressure, concentration, volume, mass and so on don't change over the time. An unsteady process in which the parameters change over the time. Continuous process is a steady state process, whereas batch, fed batch and semi-batch are not. Next comes the law of conservation of mass. Mass neither be created nor be destroyed. It is the fundamental concept of material balance. What is material balance is? It accounts for the materials entering the system and leaving the system. The input flow stream always balances the output flow stream. When the material enters the system, what happens? The materials either leave the system, remain in the system, or converted into something else. Based on the understanding of material balance equation, we have written the equation as accumulation equals to input of materials minus output of materials plus generation of materials minus consumption. Input is the materials entering the system. Output is the material leaving the system. Generation is the new material formed in the system. Consumption is the materials that are consumed in the system. Accumulation is material staying back in the system. At steady state, accumulation equals to 0. The equation is given as mass in plus mass generated is equals to mass out plus mass consumed. Okay. In our next video, we will continue our discussion. Thank you.